Hi, it's Miss Todoric, not from the computer classroom. We changed our name recently. This is the cool classroom. So I am teaching business courses now. We are logging in. I haven't been on Nitrotype, so let's claim our daily reward. Looks like I still have some cash. I know our team is probably gone by now. Let's see, who do we have? Chris got money, an old student. Hey everyone. This is old. Pending. Oh, Golden Paul still on YouTube and Nitrotype. Welcome to the team. All right, it looks like we're starting back again. We have just the officers. 1, 2. Oh, looks like I lost all my students. We are in a new school now, so we are going to build up this team. Let me update the message. I'm back. All right, we are going to the cool classroom. Oh, I guess I changed that before. The cool classroom. Oh, we changed it. Friends, who's here? Set. See what they got in the shop. We're in the Nitro Racing League season. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Looks good. Let's take a look at the season. Okay. Yep, all my cars are still there. All right, this is the first race. It's been a while. To use my Nitro. I don't even think I use a Nitro. All right, not bad. 51 words per minute. Number 1. Anyone online? Let's see. What do we got? Anyone?